Now this is how to send PDF via Gmail app on Android, iOS, on any device. So simply tap on compose when you open the app, and here in this menu simply enter the person's email whom you want to send the email, add subject, and in the compose email simply there is an option to attach files, which is this clip icon over here. Tap on this clip icon, and if your file is in your device or in your internal external storage, then simply tap on attach files. If it's in the Google Drive, then do this, simply tap on attach files, because the file is in my phone, so tap on it. Now here you would find multiple things. Now locate your file by going like this, or you can simply tap on my files option to locate it from my files. But what I'm doing is simply clicking on recent document. So this is one of the recent document, it would appear on the top. So this is the document, simply tap on it, select it, and as you can see it is selected. Now simply tap on send button, and yeah, now your email, your PDF is sending to that person. Simply refresh it. If you want to check for progress, it would show you this, but now it is sent. I have sent it to myself, so as you can see we have received the email here. So I hope you found the information helpful. If it does, then do like and share.